Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon ni Ma'am Sakay Jo, Batangas City. This is a Japanese store and this is how it looks like. Oh, say hi! Ah. Yeah, actually second time namin dito. And today I ordered rice topping, katsudon, gyudon. And gusto ko ng sushi pero tinake out ko na lang para mamaya pag nagutom may makain. And mama ordered ramen ka? Ramen order ka? Ramen ang yung ramen. So yeah, we're just waiting for the food. And it's Saturday night kaya medyo madaming tao. Daming nag-date. Tempting kumain doon. Kaya lang, baka hindi makaya ng aming mga tuhod. So, ayan. So, just wait for the order. Doon. Titikman daw muna niya. Sarap?
Alam.
Kamusta ang ramen? Bahala.
Hindi, bibigyan kita at ako mabubusog. Thank you.
So yung taste niya, yung Japanese rice, tapos malambot yung beef, tapos gusto ko tong mushroom dingis. Very tasty. Kala mong flavor talaga ng mushroom yun or yung sauce nanonood dun sa mushroom. Good. Tapos itatry natin itong ramen. Sarap din. Hindi siya masyadong creamy lang siya. Sumanga. Kaya hindi ko na natiis. Gumamit na rin ako kutsara. Bus. So we're done.
Okay na?
Ayun na, it's just a quick food vlog lang dito sa Kaijo. So located in Batangas City. It's nice Japanese shop. Ganda ng ambience. And what I know is masarap ang kanilang mga macros at saka sashimi. Ayun, so that's it. Bye. See you next time.